Welcome back to Smooth Auto Vibes, your go-to channel for sleek design, advanced technology, and the smoothest rides the auto world has to offer. Today, we're taking a closer look at the 2025 Renault Rafale, a vehicle that not only marks a bold step for Renault but also challenges the status quo in the crossover SUV segment. At first glance, the 2025 Renault Rafale stuns with its coupe-inspired SUV design. This isn't your everyday family crossover. It's got curves in all the right places and a silhouette that leans more towards sportiness than utility, although it doesn't compromise on practicality. The Rafale is built on the CMF-CD platform, shared with the Renault Espace and Austral, but the design is uniquely its own. A low-slung roofline, aggressive front fascia, and sleek LED headlights give it a commanding presence on the road. Under the hood, Renault is offering a hybrid and a plug-in hybrid version of the Rafale. The standard hybrid pairs a 1.2-liter 3-cylinder turbocharged petrol engine with two electric motors, giving a combined output of around 200 horsepower. But the real head-turner is the Rafale E-Tech 4X4 plug-in hybrid version, which is expected to push out an impressive 300 horsepower. That makes it the most powerful production Renault ever made. Yes, you heard that right. The plug-in hybrid version adds an electric motor on the rear axle, effectively giving it all-wheel drive capability. That means better handling, more control in bad weather, and even a bit of off-road potential. The Rafale isn't just about looking good, it's got the muscle to back it up. Let's talk about the interior. Renault has really stepped up its game here. The Rafale's cabin feels premium, modern, and incredibly well put together. There's a 12.3-inch digital driver display and a 12-inch vertical infotainment touchscreen powered by Google's Android Automotive OS. That means built-in Google Maps, Google Assistant, and access to apps from the Play Store, all integrated seamlessly into the dashboard. The driver-centric cockpit wraps around you, offering a commanding yet comfortable driving experience. Materials are top-notch with soft-touch surfaces, Alcantara accents, and even sustainable upholstery options that align with Renault's new environmental goals. Rear passengers aren't left out either, there's plenty of legroom and headroom, thanks to a clever roof design that doesn't sacrifice interior space. One of the coolest features in the Rafale is the Solar Bay panoramic glass roof, which can be electronically tinted in segments. Want full sunlight? Keep it clear. Need some shade? Just tap a button, and the roof darkens in real time. It's tech that not only looks cool but actually makes a difference in cabin comfort. In terms of driving dynamics, the Rafale is designed to be both agile and comfortable. The multi-link rear suspension, tight steering response, and available 4Control advanced all-wheel steering give it an edge over other SUVs in its class. Whether you're cruising through tight city streets or hitting the highway, the Rafale stays composed and confident. Safety hasn't taken a backseat either. With features like adaptive cruise control, lane keeping assist, autonomous emergency braking, and a 360-degree camera system, the Rafale is equipped with everything you'd expect in a modern premium SUV. What makes the 2025 Renault Rafale stand out is its ability to blend luxury, sportiness, and eco-conscious tech into one refined package. It's not just an evolution of the Renault brand, it's a statement. A bold one. This is Renault proving that French design, when combined with cutting-edge innovation, can absolutely compete with the best in the world. That's all for today's deep dive into the 2025 Renault Rafale. Let us know in the comments, would you take this over a BMW X4 or Audi Q5 Sportback? Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that bell icon for more Smooth Auto Vibes, coming your way real soon. Thanks for watching Smooth Auto Vibes, where every drive begins with style.